What's up YouTube? Back yet again with another video. My name is Dev KE, and in this channel we break down the forex pairs and all the commodities that you want to trade. So yeah, for today I have some quick analysis on Nasdaq and gold. As you all know, yesterday was FOMC and we had some movement, but today the market has not been so volatile and we've been having some sort of consolidation on gold, Nasdaq, and of course Bitcoin is going down right now. It's trading at around 113k. So that is not so good for those who are holding Bitcoin. But then, if you are new and you want to get into this, you can. I can say this is the right time to at least get you some, a fraction of that one Bitcoin. You can buy. This is the right time when it's below, maybe below 100k. You can get some portion of that Bitcoin. So yeah, let's get right into it and have some small analysis on gold, Bitcoin, and NAS100. Cheers. Yeah, as promised, we have our analysis on the three commodities. We're going to look at gold, Nasdaq, and finally we are going to look at Bitcoin. So gold and the Bitcoin have been on a downtrend since Monday, and most people normally are asking me when is the right time to buy some Bitcoin. So the right time to buy is when it goes down maybe to below 100k, below 90k. So when there is some retracement, that is the correct time to find some buy position. So now we will start with gold. Yeah. And then I had done some analysis and I'm currently in a buy position, which has been in some consolidation, but it's still going on. So I'm going to remove my drawing so that we can analyze this together again. So yeah, well, as you all know, when you're doing your analysis, you start from a higher time frame so that you can see the clear perspective. And then from a higher time frame, we can see that we have been in a downtrend for a long time. But right now we have currently forming something like a falling wedge or a bearish flag like that. So we have price trading within the channel for quite some time now. So we can we can zoom out and see clearly. We also have a touch on our trend line, and then currently we have some bullish momentum building from that point. So we might go to 1 hour so that we have a clear view of what is happening on gold. And then on gold, on the 1 hour, we can see we have some impulsive move that happened all the way from this point. We have this rally, then some sort of correction, and then finally we have an impulse going up. So right now, I'm currently in a buy position because there was this zone that I had marked, and then I saw some price rejecting on the 50 period moving average, which is the red line on my chart, and then we have these we call them teaser bottoms that formed. We have this clean bullish candle that totally engulfs the black one, so that gives me some sort of confirmation for buys, and I'm looking forward to hold my trades to. I had my entry at around 10 a.m. after this candle close, but I'm looking forward to all the way to 33.52. But of course, our stop loss is slightly below that zone like that. So currently, I'm bullish on gold, and if you see this video now, then you might also want to have your buy positions. So yeah, let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has had a very big drop yesterday, but it's forming some higher lows and higher highs. You can see lower lows and lower highs. I mean, you can see there was some break of structure around this area, and then we had a drop, and then currently we have a break of structure from this area, and then currently it's playing around that zone where the break of structure occurred. So now on Nasdaq, I'm sell biased, and I'm looking for the right signal here before I take my sell around that area and hold it all the way to this level 22.96. So for today, I'm looking to go short on Nasdaq, but still, Lord knows what could happen. We could have a break above this zone, and if we have a break and a full candle close above the zone, then it means we will change our bias, and now we will look for buy position. If we have some clear buy around that area, we will have that. But for now, my bias is on the sell. But you do not rush. You have to wait and see for clear confirmation on either side. So on Nasdaq, I'm looking for sales, but still I'm not in yet because I do not have a clear confirmation. And then finally on Bitcoin, we can see we have been also on a downtrend. If we go to the 4-hour, we can see we had we've been having some impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So we currently we had some impulse yesterday, impulsive move, so correction to the upside, and then we had some break of structure happening, and then now the impulse is coming up again. So again on Bitcoin, I'm skeptical about buys, and I'm leaning more on the buy side. But then low battery. If you want to get into a trade, a sell trade right now, you can. The 4 hours is a bit too gone, so we might look for a nice entry on 1 hour and see if we can find one. Yeah, so on 1 hour we have this. We could have our sell position right now around this area, and then target all the way to 11K. But then our stop loss slightly above the opposite candle, which is the blue candle in the middle. So that is a risk to reward of 1:2.4, which is not so bad. So I'm also biased on Bitcoin, and I'm having some buy position. I'm having some running as we speak. So yeah, that is it on the 3 pairs. You need to have good risk management, good trade monitoring, and monitor your trades as it runs so that you do not miss out on these movements. So as we get to the New York session, be on your charts, and wish you the best in the remaining days of the week. So cheers, and see you in the next video.